Hello, I'm Dr. Unmil Shah, pulmonologist at Global Hospital, Mumbai. Regarding common symptoms of coughing out blood in sputum or in phlegm, this is a symptom which some group of patients do have at home. One should not panic. It could be as simple as bronchitis, it could be as serious as pneumonia or lung cancer. So the advice for patients who have such type of symptoms would be to not to neglect, even if it is 1 teaspoon or maybe a half glass of blood coming out in cough, you should immediately come to consult your family doctor or come to the emergency department of the nearest hospital and take the necessary medical treatment. This is a symptom which should not be neglected at any cost, and irrespective of the quantity of the blood coming out in the cough, the patient should immediately consult his family doctor and or rush to the emergency department of the hospital. Thank you.